Welcome to the channel. Today's video is all about Qdrant. As the demand for sophisticated AI applications explodes, so does the need for powerful, scalable ways to manage and search through the massive amounts of data they use. Vector databases are the solution, and Qdrant is a major player in this space. We're going to explore their official website to provide a complete, detailed overview of their platform. We'll cover what it's built for, its key features like hybrid search and filtering, and how companies are using it in the real world. Plus, we'll weigh the positives we can glean from the site against any potential downsides to consider. Stick around to find out if Qdrant lives up to the hype and whether it's worth your time now. Diving deeper, the site heavily features Our Customers' Words, a section packed with glowing testimonials from various companies. Reading through them, common themes emerge. Users consistently praise Qdrant for its ease of deployment and use, its high performance at scale, and the exceptional engineering and team behind it. One user mentions it was the clear winner when comparing options on ease of use, performance, pricing, and communication. Another calls it the missing piece for their enterprise-scale generative AI platform. This social proof is powerful, suggesting Qdrant delivers on its promises in real world. Now let's talk about getting your hands on Qdrant, and the pricing page reveals a very flexible, enterprise-friendly approach. They offer three main tiers, starting with a very attractive managed cloud option that begins at absolutely $0, giving you a free 1 GB cluster forever with no credit card required, which is perfect for experimentation and small projects. And this fully managed tier includes features like scaling, monitoring, high availability, and unlimited users. For teams needing more control, there's the hybrid cloud, which is custom priced and lets you bring your own infrastructure from any provider and connect it to the managed cloud's central management, combining control with cloud benefits. And finally, for organizations with the strictest requirements, the private cloud offers a fully on-premise deployment for maximum data sovereignty, even in air-gapped environments, with a premium support plan, ensuring Qdrant can scale from a free hobbyist cluster to a massive, secure enterprise deployment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.